Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I will teach you how to run YouTube ads to promote Clickbank products. So first of all, you need to identify a Clickbank product you want to promote. So you need to focus on niche like health, fitness or tech and choose products with a gravity score between 20 to 50 for low competition. Next, create your YouTube channel, and if you don't have one, sign into YouTube, then click the user icon and select create a channel. Once your channel is set up, it's time to create a video. Focus on creating product reviews or unboxing videos as they are the most popular on YouTube. And then also before you create a video, you need to add your basic info of your channel. Then you need to create and upload videos. So also you need to optimize your video by adding keyword rich title, editor description with your affiliate links and relevant tags. So this will look like this. So this the link, that link shortener, this are shortened affiliate links. Then you have, after uploading, it's time to promote. So you can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and even other video platforms to drive traffic to your YouTube video. And you can also run ads to boost engagement. Now all you have to do is go to Google Ads and then select video campaigns. So let me show you the video campaigns. Ad. So just read the description document here to launch a Google Ad video campaign. And there is a lot of things you need to understand before you can launch. So take your time to learn more about Google Ads and launching a video campaign. And that's the overall gist of it. You can also track your performance after you launch your ad. You can use a link shortener to see which videos are converting the most sales and adjust your strategy accordingly. And that's how you actually run ads, track results, and scale what works for more ClickBank sales.